National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Cochise County in southeastern Arizona, east central Pima County in southeastern Arizona, until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:22 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Vail, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sahuarita, Benson, Vail, Corona de Tucson, St. David, East Sahuarita, and Mescal. This includes the following highways: Route 90 between mile markers 290 and 297. Route 80 between mile markers 293 and 301. Interstate 10 between mile markers 279 and 309. Route 83 between mile markers 40 and 58. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Northeast Pima, Northwest Cochise, and Southeast Pima.